So when we go in a circle, I want to know who you are and what's your favorite animal. Run down really fast. Go. Hurry together. Go, 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 go. Oh, you guys are so fast. We're going to swim. Oh, that's so fun.
Rob, come here. Are you excited to watch? Remember, she's going to stay on her padded floor.
It'll save us a bunch of time so that we have more time to climb. So what we will, here you go. Right around the arms, so once it's on, looks kind of like a backpack in the front. I mean in the back. We're going to tighten up in just a second if you don't mind waiting. You can buckle that. You got it? Cool. Next, first, you want the legs to be tight enough to where it's not super loose, but so that it feels comfortable. You shouldn't feel any kind of restriction there. And then with the arms, you want to have those be a little bit tighter. I don't want to pull your hair out. So it shouldn't be loosey-goosey. You stick your finger and in that dress? And those summer shoes? I don't think they'll be a good choice. One of them is we're going to go over what it means to have a layer. Comes in all one at a time. To tie in, it goes through these 2 points. There, practice coming down.
Climb again?
Oh! There you go.
And there she goes. Oops.
There you go. All right. So now the pressure's coming down. So sit. Go. Hands on your feet out. Ready? What we'll do is we'll stay in our rotation here. Have you ever climbed before? No, so first time ever right now? Okay, so remember, we're going to go right here, okay? So I'm ready for you to climb. Are you ready to climb? Yeah. Okay. So you want to try and grab the wall. The only time you want to grab that rope is when you come down. Can you grab this one? And then we're ready. Let's do it. There you go. Nice. 2. Nice job. Practice coming down. There you go. Ready to practice coming down? Nice. Now put those feet on the flat. Can you try to jump up and just like that? See other nice flat and now walk. There you go.
And then kick your feet up like you have now.
Try and get one foot on the wall, and then just like you're walking. Try and get 2 back on. There you go. Now walk.
Nice.
Walk.
Go Hannah, go Hannah, go Hannah. Good job.
I know you want your chair, but you have to wait until it's
Yeah, nice. Or actually try to keep your
Thinking her way through it.
Oh, he's up there now.
Sit back and keep your feet off the wall. Nice.
Do you want to go a little farther, or is that as far as you'd like to go? Okay. All right, I'm going to bring you down now. There you go. Use those feet. Look at you go.
Woo! Go, Allie! And she's going up again. Go, Hannah.
We're going to stand down right here. Good.
Go, Allie.
Okay, so you're going to go. And then you push up with your foot. Keep your hands on the wall. Keep grabbing that green for a second.
There.
There it is. Nice job.
Back away.
Back away.
There you go. Now try and keep your feet a little
Don't touch
flatter.
the rope.
Yeah, you can be close. Sit right there.
Ready to break. Back again. Okay, you keep holding the rope.
Go, Allie.
There we go.
Good job. Right side, how high you got. That's really cool.
Can you do both? Do you think you could do one on her?
Yeah. Come on, Allison.
I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? All right. Fun then.
Whatever it takes to win, right?
Are you ready to go home?
That's all you need, buddy. Keep screaming around.
There you go. Yay.
No, you need to sit up here. This is where the class is here.
That is so good. Nice.
You want to come down this side? All right.
How did Hannah get up there?
Now I got you.
I missed her altogether. Joe?
Is this yours too?
They're my grandchildren, yeah. Joe?
Look at her.
Joe! Hannah's at the top. She got up there before I knew she was going. Yay!
How old are they?
Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Allison's climbing the waterfall.
Guys, can you get that white one with your left foot? Or go over and cross the road. There's a white one right on your hip. Do you think you can get this foot up? There you
There it
go.
goes.
Look at you go.
You can try going over to the
Nice.
left if you want.
Keep going, Gray. You got it.
Feet up one more time and then stand up super tall. Do you think you can get this foot right here on green? Oh, look at that. That was a great move. That's a really good one if you can get your foot there. You might have to go back down.
You got it.
Get over.
That little red one.
Allison, you want to try going out to the left? This green one over here is really
Nice.
good.
Push.
Strong work, Ray.
Like you're going upstairs. Can you stand up super tall?
Yeah, there you go.
There.
Yes.
Stand up off that left foot if you can.
That was awesome, dude.
Yeah, there you go.
Keep going. You got it.
Hey, great. Do you realize the first time you do that, you couldn't get your foot on that red
Yeah,
one?
no. Reach for that white one.
Okay, this one right here. That's
Go, Allie, go.
right here. You got your foot all the way up there, and that helped you stand straight up. And then you got your
Now
foot
stand
here.
up off of that leg foot. Stand tall, tall, tall.
over here.
Let's get your curls off. You did it. You did your climbing. Yeah. That was awesome. Dang, I'm so proud of you. And
Try using that green one instead, yeah. Push, push, push. Stand up, super tall, tall, tall.
Push, push, push,
Yeah.
push.
Nice.
Keep going. To the right. To the waterfall. Go to the waterfall.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah. Right by your knee.
Yep, she's getting there.
Keep going.
Nice.
You got it. Keep going.
Reach for that orange one.
Go,
Yeah.
Allie.
Wow. Look how high she's getting there. Almost there. Look through the hole.
okay, your shoe on.
There's a hole at the top. Keep going.
Over the purple one.
No, those are not your
You
climbing.
get one by the waterfall. Orange.
They're just for here.
Yeah, there you go.
But you know what? If you love rock climbing so much, then maybe we can get some for you for your
A little
yoga.
more. You gotta go a little higher.
Over to that green one. You got it.
Yep.
Almost there.
You got another through the hole.
Push up. Push up. Stand up tall.
That's ours, yeah.
Perfect. You want your shoe?
Hold the wall.
Okay.
Now stand up.
It was just on the front desk. I wanted to make sure you was right down there.
You got it.
You got it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Like it would be just
Peekaboo. You made it to the hole. What's in there, Allison? It's a waterfall. Don't get wet.
You want to come down? All right, keep your feet back and I got you.
Lean back and let go of the wall. Yeah. Yay. Look at you. Woohoo! It's for lunch, Hannah.
She's putting jelly.
And
Cheetos.
what's for lunch, Axel? What's for lunch, Axel? What are you eating?
Okay.
Cheetos?
Okay.
You got to tell me what you're eating. Peanut butter?
Okay.
Bit of quiet time.
Hi.
Hi. Time for lunch. Notice one is missing. Granddaddy-O's being a good
Always
worker.
working. Always working. Always working. Never quit. I'm finding things for other people to do, and I'm damn good at it.
That's the truth. And I found her. There she is. At long last, we're opening the gift. What can it be? What can it be? I hope it's outstanding because it sure has been waited for a long time. Just a minute.
I see something.
Are you getting there?
Mhm.
What is it?
I don't know.
You need some help?
No.
See something fuzzy? It's socks?
I
Just a minute. Just a minute.
I don't think it's soft.
Keep tearing the paper.
There's still at the bottom. Oh, yeah, the can could have stuck. What is it?
Oh my gosh, it's a little animal. Is it an animal? Is it a headband?
It's a headband?
That is one big headband. We'll have to put that on. Let's see. Hold on just a minute, Axel. Wait a minute. It's Hannah's turn. She's going to put her headband on. That's not it. Okay.
Son getting it. What happened to your head?
The girls.
No.
Granddaddy-O's stirring up trouble here. It's right before nap /
Teddy's got
quiet
her.
time.
Look, Teddy's got her. Teddy's got Allie. Teddy's got Allie.
It's almost nap time.
Nobody can get by me. Nobody can get by me here. Oh, you got by me.
What are we eating now?
Popsicle.
What flavor is yours, Hannah?
Orange.
What flavor is yours, Axel? Strawberry? Airplane. There's an airplane up there somewhere. I don't know where, but it's there. Allison, what kind of ice pop do you have?
Good.
Raspberry?
Raspberry.
Yum. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Yes. We really feel like the seeds that we're planting aren't getting enough water. So they're watering the seeds to help them grow. We probably need to water the flowers too, huh? Do you think? Thank you, Hannah. Oh.
No, I don't want the splat.
Is everybody happy? Go, Hannah, go, Hannah, go. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Yay! Woo! You having fun, Axel? Everyone's having fun in the water. We're having so much fun. Your turn, Axel. Go run through the sprinkler. Go run through the sprinkler, Axel. Come on, come on, come on. Nope, not happening. Oh, I thought I was videoing all that time. Oh well. Leave it on, Axel. What are you doing? Don't turn it off, please. Woo! Allison's going through the car wash. Woo! Hannah pointed out that Allison needs soap though, but we're not going to get out the soap. No, well, when she finishes, she just got in. So now she's out. You may have a turn. Go through the car wash, Hannah. Yay! Uh-oh, you're stuck on the hose. You're going to have to give it a big push. Big push. Woo! Are you drowning in water? Hannah! Where'd you go? Where'd everybody go? Now we're over here. Now we're back over here. Now we're back over here. Axel's going back and forth. He's confused. He doesn't know which way's up, which way's down. Move him out of the water, Hannah. Hannah, move him out of the water, please. These kids have just been crazy. They're just so crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do with them today. Messing around and putting sand in Axel's shoes.
Here, I can take a shoe, guys. Here, give me a shoe.
Granddaddy-O has joined in the fun. However, he came down in his socks. We just made our plans for the evening. Dinner, a movie, polishing nails, and popcorn. And thanks to Hannah, all the sand is back in the sandbox. And look who's getting pushed in the baby swing. Little baby Allison.
Daddy-O, push.
Push.
Boji, push.
Push, Boji.
Daddy-O, push.
Now Axel's sweeping. Are you sweeping? Are you sweeping, Axel?
No.
No. Okay, here comes trouble now.
Oh, look out, look out.
Here comes trouble now. A little bit of dish soap. Let's see what happens to Hannah. How fast can you go, Hannah? Whoa.
I sprayed him and he's dying. He's probably dead already.